Hello viewers, today we are going to see Article 61 of Indian Constitution, Procedure for Impeachment of the President. In India, the President can be impeached only on the grounds of violation of the Constitution. Article 61 Clause 1. When a President is to be impeached for violation of the Constitution, the charge shall be fixed by either Council of States or House of People. Article 61 Clause 2. No charge shall be preferred unless the proposal to prefer such charge is contained in a resolution which has been moved after at least 14 days notice in writing signed by not less than one-fourth of the total membership of the House, given their intention to move such resolution. And then provision B, such resolution has been passed by members of not less than two-thirds of the total membership of that House in which it was provided. Article 61 Clause 3. When a charge has been so preferred by either House of the Parliament, the other House shall have all rights to investigate the charge, and the President need to appear if the members of the Parliament have to investigate with him. Article 61 Clause 4. If a result of the investigation, a resolution is passed by a majority of not less than two-thirds of total membership in the another House on which it was not brought by a resolution, it should be passed by two-thirds of the total membership. And after such circumstances, the President is impeached by the Parliament. Today we saw how the President has been impeached from the office of Parliament. Thank you for watching my video. This is the process for impeachment. Thank you.